Today I want to show you guys this leaf blowers. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. So this doesn't come with the battery. So once you receive, you will receive just like this. And this fits with DEWALT batteries, which I don't have, but I have a converter from Greenworks to DEWALT. So that is really cool. It allowed me to use my existing batteries and it just works without any problem. So it's compatible. If you have DEWALT, you won't have any issue. As you can see, really nice compact unit, and it is really powerful. You can see how it's just pushing my hand. So let's go ahead and see how well it just blows the leaves off and see if it's really up to the challenge. So you can see I am just walking behind, and as you guys can see, it just clears out, push really nicely. It is pretty loud, so that is the only issue I am seeing, but that just proves it has a lot of power. As you can see, really nice unit. If you are looking for something to just take care of small pile of leaves, this can help. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.